All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at this Sunday's prepositions. So following. To be coming after something. Yeah, following. Yeah. It will be here following them. Yeah. I will be here following the reports, following the events. Following after them, we should arrive on time. Yeah. We're going to arrive following them. I'm going to be learning following him. Yeah. Following the event, they never came back. After the event, they never came back. We think that following the party, they should be here. Following the meeting, they should arrive on time. How cool is that? Yeah. Yeah. Following what happened last night, we should be there again. Yeah. Following the events, we decided to change the rules. Following the events, we decided to change the rules. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that? So yeah, following the rules, following the events, following the developments. Following the developments, things are completely different now. Following the developments, things are now different. Yeah. How cool is that? So, following. Now, can you use following in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.